Because of the requirement for backside attack on the mercurium ion, the reaction is stereospecific up until the point where sodium borohydride is used to remove the mercury. In this reaction, whose mechanism you do not know, there is a radical intermediate, okay, free radical intermediate. The carbon atom of the radical is planar and sp2 hybridized, and when the hydrogen atom add, it is equally probable that addition will occur at the top and the bottom of the radical, and thus the stereoselectivity is lost. Okay, so if cis trans stereoisomers can form, then cis trans isomers will form. Okay, so cis trans isomer is forming. Now we will go. They do say actually stereoselectivity is lost. That means whatever we are getting trans as well as cis, we are getting trans 50% and cis 50%. So this reaction is not stereospecific, not stereoselective. This reaction is racemic, and you are getting racemic mixture of 50% trans and 50% cis. Okay, this is racemate. We do get racemate, and there is no stereoselectivity, no stereospecificity. Okay, so neutral we are getting racemic mixture. Now next, addition of alcohol. Reagents in this reaction is water is replaced with the methanol, the alcohol methanol. Okay, so whatever. The methanol CH3OH should do and does do very similar reaction to water. It is also weak Lewis base. So we'll see now how the methanol addition will occur. Okay, so with red things, the important mechanism I have written, always I am writing with red things. Now, water is getting replaced with the methanol CH3OH. In both cases, OH group is constant, or oxygen contains two lone pairs, so it acts as a Lewis base. Okay, so methanol here acts as a Lewis base, and as we know, carbon carbon double bond acts as a Lewis. No. So here mercury acetate acts as a Lewis acid. Okay, and this carbon carbon double bond acts as a Lewis base. Okay, so here you can write this one is the Lewis base. Okay, so now we have replaced Bronsted acid H2O super with this Lewis acid mercury acetate. Okay, so as this one is sufficiently acidic, so this Lewis base, that means carbon carbon double bond, which acts as a Lewis base, it can react with this Lewis acid. So we will start now the reaction. As usual, there is a formation of mercurium ion. Okay, mercurium, three membered mercurium ion has been formed here. Hg plus OAC has been attached here. Now Lewis base, now here it has been changed now. Methanol is Lewis base now, and this three-membered ring acts as a Lewis acidic moiety. Okay, now Lewis base methanol reacts or attacks on the highly substituted carbon atom. See, pay attention here. Markovnikov addition in presence, we can do addition as per the Markovnikov addition. Markovnikov addition tells us that more substituted carbon atom is getting attacked by the bulky group. Okay, so now here we are going to attach OCH3 group to this carbon atom. Okay, so where already two ethyl groups are present on this carbon carbon double bond. So this is bulky carbon atom, and methanol OCH3 group will attach at this carbon atom. Okay, so now here OCH3 group will attack on this one, and in this way this mercurium ion is getting opened. Okay, so pay attention, this three-membered mercurium ion acts as a Lewis acid, and methanol acts as a Lewis base. Okay, so again, next, opening of the mercurium ion. So you have how to write the product, how to write the intermediate again. See, you have to present your structures and everything properly. Now OCH3 OCH2 group has been attached here. Now they have divided OCH2, and that means whole methanol group they have shown here the attached, that means OCH3 should be there actually. OH group CH3 should be here. It's by mistake CH2 I have written. CH2 CH3 should be there. Okay, so two ethyl group and one methanol and one acid mercury OAC group. So carbon mercury bond is here. Now again, next molecule of Lewis basic molecule of methanol abstracts proton. Okay, to form this kind of moiety. Okay, so we got our product here, partial product over here, and now Our motto is that to break this carbon mercury bond. So for that purpose, we have used sodium borohydride ethanol. Okay. So here, as we have used sodium borohydride ethanol, and we can break this one, we can add a hydrogen here, and finally we will get this type of molecule structure. Okay. So it follows the Markovnikov rule. What Markovnikov rule shows that addition of OCH3 group adds, I must have to add this more substrate carbon atom, and this could happen with the help of mercury acetate. Okay, so only with the help of this mercury acetate we can add this methoxide group at this carbon atom. If we will replace this mercury acetate with Bronsted acid, any Bronsted like H2SO4, we this methoxide group definitely can't say now where it will add. For that one we have to write down all the whole mechanism, but selectively we can get this type of product in presence of mercury acetate. The overall product of this reaction is an ether. Okay, this one ether we have found methyl, and this is tertiary butyl ether, I think. No, not tertiary butyl. Another functional group interconversion. The reaction is again the regio specific. The methoxide adds to the most substrate end of the carbon-carbon double bond. The major product is the Markovnikov product. Okay, so both things, regio specific and Markovnikov product, these two terms they are very important. Now addition of this, again they have taken some other examples.